Hey, what's up guys? How are you doing? Welcome back to my channel. This is Lucy Aisha. Today we're going to talk about something really short, and it's just to encourage you to start doing anything that's on your mind. Stop waiting for things to happen. You're in your 20s or 30s, you keep saying, oh, I'll do this tomorrow, the day after tomorrow. You keep postponing, you keep forgetting, you don't even write it down on your notebooks. So I'm here to tell you, just don't wait for things to happen. If you want to invest in something, in the markets, in your education, in your life, if you want to change a job, the time is now. Don't keep waiting. Time is value right now. In your 20s, in your 30s, time is really of essence, and the longer you wait, the more time or the more opportunities you keep losing, because you keep waiting and waiting for something big to happen. It's not gonna happen if you don't do it. So keep doing it. Just go ahead, go do something. Try do something. Take risks. This is the time to take risks. This is the time to get out of your comfort zone. If you want to invest in the stock market and you don't know how, go do something, learn about it. I've been posting some things on my WhatsApp, on my Instagram page about stock markets. Anything that you want to do in terms of investing, the time is now. Do not wait. The time you have right now, for the value of your time right now in your 20s, it's going to depreciate the moment you hit your 30s, the moment you hit your 40s, and you'll be asking yourself, so when was I supposed to start investing? When was I supposed to start saving? The time is now. Stop waiting for things to happen. I've had people saying, oh, the market is going to crash, or the real estate in Kenya is going to have a bubble. But when is it happening? You're waiting for things to happen, but you should make it right now. Do it right now. Do not wait. This is your chance. This is your time. And then by the time you're in your 30s, you already have your family. You're already risking any little savings you have or any money that you have, and you'll be saying, oh my gosh, I don't have this, I don't have that, because now your money is like, you're holding on to that money that you've kept it, and you should have used it and lost it in your 20s, because for some reason there's always a way that God makes us like things turn around, if you believe and trust. Because I believe in the law of attraction. What you perceive in your mind is what is going to happen to you. So think about the richness, the goodness, the success coming your way all the time. Okay, so go do it now. Don't waste your time. Don't waste your 20s. Start saving up right now. It's the best time right now. Okay, so thank you for watching this video. Hit the subscribe button, like this video. See you in the next video. This is Vlogmas day, I think 6 right now. What time is it? It's, I think, midnight. Peace. Thank you for subscribing.